Hi there, Chris here. I have this cool little Hurd padlock, and it's made in Detroit, and it's the 220 model. Same on the other side, and it has the funny keyway. And these tend to pick better when you tension them counterclockwise. So I'm going to tension it counterclockwise. I think. Maybe I need another tensioner. Oh, that might do it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the Parker pocket clip picker and see if we can get in here. So these, I'm filming this, but I didn't turn off the notifications, and I'm getting things from Coxie as we speak. Okay, let me see if I can pick this. You kind of have to have the right tension to get your pin set. So it's a little tricky. Now I'm trying this new camera setup on the arm, and right off it just seems, see, if I start moving around, it just seems so bouncy. But maybe it's not bouncy on the video. I have to watch. All right, come on, Parker. Pay attention here. These are not really an easy pick, but because of the keyway, I wanted to try Parker. Yeah, this thing is just way bouncy. I do have the extended iPhone holder, but I don't think that's the whole problem. I think because the table is bouncy, there's so much weight on it. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna have to make sure we're reset. Maybe this one might work a little bit better. Maybe if I go there. All right, in with Parker. Light tension. I think there's a tough back one to get. And we got it. It took me a while. Plus, I'm fretting about this new setup. Anyway, there is Parker versus a Hurd padlock. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.